trying all the popular 7-Eleven snacks from Tokyo. So first what we're gonna try is this salmon triangle seaweed wrap thing. One thing about Andrew, he hates seafood. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Cheers. A 9 out of 10. Honestly, every breakfast I would eat this. I have no idea what this is, but it's some Sanrio's Hello Kitty snack. Why is it so pink? I would give this a 7. I don't like it that much.
Really?
Yeah, you like it?
I kind of like it.
Korean seaweed potato chip.
Are you
What?
Are you serious?
It's seaweed!
I don't like seaweed.
Alright, so look at this. Seaweed potato chip. Wow. Honestly, give this a 9 out of 10. I like it a lot.
I'll give this a 2 out of 10.
Pancake with red bean paste and whipped cream. You like this? I would honestly give this a 4.
Really? 7 or 8 for me.